Creative Toddlers TV. Today we will learn about some wild animals. Alligator. Happy Alligator says, "Smile, splash, play." Lion. Lions roar loud and proud in the wild. Wolf. Wolves say "oh" to talk to their friends. Gorilla. Gorillas, where grunts are greeting. Tiger. Tigers are like giant cats with beautiful stripes. Enjoying the animal show? Yay! Snake? Snakes slide and hiss, exploring the world with their long tails. Bear? Bears are big, furry friends who love honey and hugs. Wow! Elephant? Elephants are gentle giants who trumpet and play in the jungle. Shark? Sharks are sleek swimmers with sharp teeth, exploring the ocean deep. Hyena. Hyenas are giggly creatures who laugh as they roam. Monkey. Monkeys swing and play in the